Welcome back. So this is going to be the 9 a.m. outlook because it's 8:52. So let's begin right away. Let's go view the current alerts. We have a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of Iowa, mainly including southern and eastern Iowa. Let's go to the Storm Prediction Center, the current outlook. So this is the 8 a.m. outlook. We have a significant hail threat from extreme northeastern Colorado going into Canada, and then a non-significant severe wind threat and a very small tornado threat that likely won't even get any tornado warnings. I'm not really sure why they put that in there. Let's go to the day 2 outlook. We have a marginal risk from extreme eastern Montana going into the Atlantic. It's crazy how far that stretches. Then a slight risk extending from northern or northeastern Pennsylvania and northwestern to northern New York, going into the Atlantic once again. Day 3 outlook, we have a marginal risk from southeast Montana going into extremes northwestern Wisconsin. Then another one from extreme southern Indiana going into the Atlantic. Nothing for the 48-day outlook. And this is the current view of the radar. Hold on, let me turn the muzzle now. So the current outlook here shows some heavy rain from eastern Iowa. Looks like it's tracking east-southeast. 4 hours ago, this was in northern Iowa, way stronger. 2 hours ago, you could tell how it got very disorganized, and now it's just a complete mess. Surface observations there show temperatures at 74 in Davenport. And then visible satellite. You could definitely see if there's like an MCS right here. This is definitely it. That cloud's going all the way from central Iowa to northwestern Indiana. So, same one I see outside actually. The Cape here, we have the small area of Cape from central Livingston, or is that LaSalle, going into central Cook at 500. So that's essentially stronger there. But barely, because this storm is continuing to get out of multiple stronger Cape areas. If you go to this here, we have tornadic probabilities of EF0 plus at 15%. Then you put that to EF2 plus. Oh wait, that's not the same thing. Oh wait, hold on. We'll get to that later. That's also very important. Then you have EF2 plus. We have a non-zero chance, but it's basically zero. EF4, get it out! We don't have any chance of that. New tornadic. This is the tornadic 0 to 1 kilometer EHI. So these are the risks, I guess, that we have for some tornadic rotation or stuff. It's very weak, but it's extending, and then from like eastern Iowa going all the way almost into Chicago. Stronger ones in northwest Wisconsin and southwest Iowa, though. click on those, we have an STP of 1.1 actually, so that's pretty strong. Heavy rain. We might see up to at least 1.5 inches of rain today for Illinois, and then for southwestern Illinois going actually into St. Louis, there is actually a chance that we could see rain up to 2 inches an hour, or 2 inches at least. I actually don't know what this one does, but we got bulk shear. It's not really that bad for Chicago. Supercell Composite's actually pretty weak for Chicago. Only a little bit strong, reaching up to western DuPage County. And then going to this wind shear, it's not really that strong, and it's expected to actually pretty sure weaken. Let's actually go here, and I'm only choosing this one for the future radar. So this is 2 hours. So this is the current radar according to this model. Then it's expected to continue east-southeast, and according to the next 6 hours, that's going to be the whole day. Because so this is at 2:59 p.m. What they're showing. Storms are exiting Fort and Iroquois County. Now, I'm not expecting anything for northern Illinois in the first place. I don't think it's gonna happen. So, thank you. It's 9 o'clock. I started the live a bit early. Oh wait, I forgot. 2 last things. National Hurricane Center. Oh God. Alright. Well, we have a tropical disturbance in the central tropical Atlantic. A tropical wave interacting with a broad area of low pressure is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms about 900 miles west-southwest of the Cape Verde Islands. Environmental conditions are marginally conducive for gradual development of the system during the next few days as it moves westward to west-northwestward around 10 miles an hour. By the middle of next week, environmental conditions are forecast to become unfavorable for further development. Alright, so... And then the Eastern Pacific, we have another one here. If this continues, it will just miss Hawaii to the northeast. But it's possible that this could shift and hit Hawaii, but we'll see about that. Central Pacific, we don't have anything. Which leads us to what's happening on the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Well, it's probably not leading any of you into thinking what's happening, but it is for me, obviously. So, Widba, Tropical Storm 09W is just southeast of China. And then, that's all. Let's go to the warning text for this one here. What's that? I really do want to see the cone, though. Alright, so it's showing that Taiwan's more out of this now. Just a small area of... Okay, yeah. I only know this city. I only know the city in Taiwan. I mean, that's the only one I know how to say. And then Hong Kong is expected to get hurricane conditions, but not, not like gonna get hit by it. It's gonna hit this part of China, and then it's gonna continue, Hanoi, you can get some hurricane conditions as well if this thing intensifies. And so that is going to be all, because that's the latest one here. That should be making landfall by next outlook, actually, I'm pretty sure. So, thank you for watching. Next update is probably going to be by the afternoon. At least in early afternoon, mid-afternoon. But it all depends on the severe weather potential for us today. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again probably later. Bye. Oh, comment. I got a comment from Michelle Meisinger McHugh. Thank you for information. Alright, you're welcome for the information. And goodbye.